Good day. Today we'll be introducing to you our pH meter. We have prepared here 3 levels of pH mediums, 4.0, 6.86, and 9.18. So let's enter the settings. Enter the password 0000, then press enter. Go to Online Calibration, press enter. Then go to pH Calibration, and press enter. Select the correct pH calibration, option 1 in this case. Now we are calibrating for 4.0 pH. Ensure the probe is cleaned first before beginning the calibration. Put the probe into the pH 4.0 medium and wait for the millivolt value to stabilize. Once it has stabilized, press enter to lock in the value, then clean the probe before proceeding to calibrate for 6.86 pH. Put the probe into the 6.86 pH medium and wait for the millivolt value to stabilize. Once it has stabilized, press enter to lock in the value, then clean the probe before proceeding to calibrate for 9.18 pH. Put the probe into the 9.18 pH medium and wait for the millivolt value to stabilize. Once it has stabilized, press enter and your calibration is complete. Let's exit the settings and test the pH meter. As we can see, the pH meter is now able to read the medium accurately at 9.18 pH. Let's clean the sensor and test it at the 4.00 pH medium. Once the reading has stabilized, we can see that it is able to read the 4.00 pH accurately. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching.